Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Do you know your quiz result page is a prime real estate? So are you using it to drive sales? I'm going to show you how to add a powerful call to action button that turns engaged quiz takers into paying customers. So in your quiz, scroll down to the results screen page and click on one of the results. On the left, you'll see the button settings toggled on. Now, now enter button text and the destination URL. This can be Calendly link, a checkout page, or a specific product. So let us enter something like book a strategy call, and then we'll enter the link. Once you've entered these details, you can head over to the design page to customize the color so it pops up according to the theme on your page. The secret is in the wording. Stop using something like click here. Instead, be action oriented. Something, you know, like book at my strategy call or download my free guide or shop my recommendation. You can even set different buttons for different results and send the beginner a one-time offer or expert to a high-level consulting application. A great CTA button is the bridge between a result and a sale. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.